Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off sound effects on your Babbel app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, just go up here, you click here in this sign here in app. So then it's going to take you here in this list. Then you just go up, you click here in this sign settings here in app. Then you come here to this window, then you just click here on settings here. So then you come to step here, then all you have to do now, so you just go down here, so then you come here to sound effects here. You will click here in this sign or this color, and like you see color, it's on that's main sound effects, it's on off now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.